Hello students, today we are going to learn something which helps you understand. So 18 fruits are shown in the picture alongside. If they are shared equally between two people, how many will each one get? So what you have to do? 18 divided 2 9s are 18. So 9. So if there are two people, 1, 2. So each will get how many fruits? 9 fruits. Each person will get 9 fruits. Okay? So as the sums goes on increasing, as the number goes on increasing, you can't put 1 1 1 1 or turn by turn. It becomes difficult. So you have to start dividing it. Okay? You can't divide bigger numbers. For bigger numbers you have to use this division method. Okay, now let us see the second question. First question, you will write 9 fruits. Okay, 9 fruits each person will get. Okay, which each one of them will get. Now let us see the second sum. Second question. Come on, let us read. If 18 fruits are shared by 3 people. Now let us see. If the 18 fruit is shared by how many people? 3 people. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are 18. So how many fruits each person will get? See, if there are 3 persons, so each person will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each person will get 6 fruits. So let us write the answer. 6 fruit. How many? 6 fruits. Okay. Now if 18 fruits are shared equally by 6 people. Now if 18 fruits are, number of fruits are 18. 18 फ्रूट अभी अगर 6 जनों में शेयर करना है तो क्या करोगे? सिंपल, टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट्स you should divide with how many people are there. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Okay children, so each person will get how many fruits? 3 fruits. Each person, see there are 6 person, number of people 6, and each person will get how many fruit? 3 fruits. Each person will get 3 fruits. Okay? So every time you can't draw this way, no? So it's better to do a division. Okay? Now moving ahead. Forming groups or making shares or lots. I have brought 6 mangoes. Mother says, I have brought 6 mangoes. Sucheta, make lots of 2 mangoes to a lot. Means she makes a set. How many lots do you get? Lots means set. See, you can see she has 6 mangoes. Now she has divided into 2 sets. She has made set of 2, and each set has how many mangoes? 2 mangoes. Okay. Sucheta, 3 set or lots, okay, are same. Now shall I make lot of 3 mangoes? Now she is saying this 6 mangoes she has divided into 3 set. Now what mother is saying? What Sucheta is saying? Here she has 3 lots. Okay. Set of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now she says, shall I make this set of 3? Now this has, see, 2, 2, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Or you can say 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Or you can say right? First part is done. Now what she is saying? Now I will divide the same mango. Now she is saying I will divide the same mango into 2 lots. So in one set, how many mangoes will be there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So she makes 2 lots. And each lot has how many mangoes? 3 mangoes. Okay. So there are 2 lots this time. Same thing she has divided into 3 parts and now into 2 parts. Mark the lots in the picture. See, now I am doing this. Mark the lots in the picture and complete the table. Total number of mangoes are 8. Mangoes in one set. How many? 2 mangoes in one set. Now, total number of lots. So, let us make 1 lot, 2 lot. So, total number of lots will be how much? How many? 4. Now, the second question. Same, 8 mangoes. Mangoes in 1 lot. Now, mangoes in 1 lot. So, each lot will have how many mangoes? 4. And this is also 4. So, total number of lots will be 2. Okay. With this, I am stopping today's class. In next class, we will learn other parts of division. Thank you.